My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Skoda Octavia. This vehicle has done just under 19,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as cruise control. On the right, you have automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On our screen, we can access our key features, which are navigation, smartphone integration, radio and media, SmartLink, and our assist systems. If we click here, we can access our climate control, as well as heated seats on either side. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors, As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.